Hello, my dear listeners. I am glad you have joined me yet again for another lesson of Let's Learn Kikuyu with me, Mwari. And in this lesson, we are going to look at Kikuyu words that have two or more meanings. And without further ado, we start. The word kiara in Kikuyu refers to one finger, and when you say kiara, you refer to a rubbish bin or a rubbish pit. This one is not very new to the Let's Learn Kikuyu fans. We have iria, which means milk, iria, which means ocean or the sea, and then iria, referring to those. Koriga means to hit. Koriga also means to cross over to the other side. Kuura is when you are bleeding, and Kuura it's also when it's raining. Kuhura is one of those words that have several meanings. For example, the beating of drum is kuhura darama. Washing clothes is kuhura guo. When you whip somebody, we say kuhura modo. When playing football, we say kuhura mufira. When you strike the guitar, we say what you're doing is kuhura gita. The word mahiu refers to kettle in general, and when referring to hot water, you say mai mahiu. Kahinda refers to duration of time, and when you answer the call of nature, you are having a kahinda moment there. Njogu refers to an elephant, and the placenta is also called Njogu. Igoti is a term that is used when people offer gifts for various reasons. Igoti also means to make an offering in church, usually in kind. Igoti is also used as when people go fishing. Igoti is also a tackle made to make the other person fall down or near fall. And when a chicken lays an egg, we say what the chicken did is Igoti. Kwenja means to shave, and Kwenja means to dig a hole. Nyota refers to a bottle top, and when you are feeling thirsty, then you also say what you have is Nyota. To bribe is Kühaka, and when you paint, we say what you are doing is also Kühaka. Kuandika refers to writing, and when you hire a person, what you are actually doing is also kuandika. Kuega means to smile, and when you part of the skin to remove, for example, a jigger, you will say what you are doing is kuega. Kwamba means to crucify, and when you're casting, for example, when you want to knit, you'll also say what you are doing is Kwamba. Kana is to refute, and a baby is also referred to as kana. Kwaga means to lack, and when you fail to do something, you will say what you have done is kwaga wika. And remember, wika is to do. Gûkeera means to arrive, and when you step on, then you will also say Gûkeera. Gûtema means using coded insults, and Gûtema also means to cut. Kuhoya means to pray, and to borrow also means kuhoya. Gûtwara means to take to drive, or to cycle. Kûria means to eat, and when you get lucky, for example, in a lottery, you will say Kûria munyaka. And when you also refer to there, you will say Kûria. Gûkeera means to separate liquid from solid, and Gûkeera means cutting using a saw. And when you cut slices, like in kales, you will also say what you are doing is Gûkeera. Mwanya refers to a chance, a crack, or when somebody is exceptional, he is said to be a person of Mwanya. Gûtha means to auction and to draw from. Gûkeera means to exit, and Gûkeera also means to cross over. Kûrithia means to graze, for example, cattle, and when you help somebody by spoon feeding them, what you are doing is also kûrithia. Kuira refers to belittling a person or to describe something dark or black. Kerimo means cream, and kerimo also refers to a fool. Kûgatha means to praise, and to tighten also means Kûgatha. Gûthima means to aim, and to measure also is Gûthima. Gûita means to choke, and Gûita means to pour. Kûhara means to go bankrupt, and Kûhara also means to scratch. Mweri refers to the moon, and so is a month. Kwara means to spread, and when the sun is shining, we say what the sun has done is Kwara. Kwara liwa. Kũringia means mixing different colors to make one color, and when you aid something to cross over to the other side, especially a water body, we say what you are doing is also kũringia. Gũcokia is to return, and when you answer a question, what you actually done is also gũcokia. Gũtua means to spit, and when you break into a house, for example, what you've done is gũtua nyũmba, and plaque is also gũtua. Kũrĩo means to be drunk, and kũrĩo, for example, when a gazelle has been eaten by a lion, we say it has been kũrĩo. Gũthiĩra means to witch hunt, and gũthiĩra also means to go on behalf of. Kũruta means to withdraw, or to remove, or to teach. Kuoha means to tie, and when a judge also puts somebody into prison, we say the judge has kuoha that person. Kûratha means to shoot, and kûratha also means to prophesy. Igoti means court. Igoti means coat, and the back of the head is also referred to as igoti. Kifafa means a tin, and kifafa is also an illness, which is epilepsy to be precise. Moori refers to a female calf, and a banana sprout is also referred to as Moori. Gesohe is a ring, and a dolach is also gesohe. Kioho means a bunch, for example, a bunch of sukuma wiki, and a jail sentence is also kioho. Gîtalî means a mole trap, and Gîtalî means merry-go-round, the Kenyan version of a group of people that come together and contribute money, and each takes turn to receive the said money. Mote means a tree, and a vote is also known as mote. Kuura means to uproot, and Kuura also means the beginning of a journey. And on that note, my dear listener, we have come to the end of this lesson. I am glad you joined me, and please remember to join me again for another one just like this one. From me, it's goodbye.